Welcome to our proposal for UniQounter TM, using the Personal Locating System, PLS. This essential system allows for real-time analysis of visitor and customer data. In this proposal, we will cover company information, why you should choose Docent, highlights of our company, the importance of visitor counting, our solutions for visitor counting, an overview of our product, the software module, what you can expect, and our contact information. Docent was founded in August 2014 and specializes in technology development for indoor spaces and cultural leisure facilities. Our products and services include personal locators, traceable tags, indoor positioning systems, and more. We also offer consulting for IT systems. Docent is backed by a strong lineage, including our sister company CultureTech, with 18 years of successful alliances and partnerships. We are leaders in IT, with innovative technology developed through persistent investment. Our focus is on new technologies to improve lives, and we work remotely for development and maintenance. Docent boasts more than 400 enterprise clients and is acclaimed as one of the best custom-made software and hardware providers. With 18 years of experience, we deliver world-class software and hardware. We spend 15% of our development hours on quality assurance to ensure the highest and most consistent quality. Our Personal Locating System, PLS, provides information on locations of people and assets with high precision. Using mobile signal analyses, we can determine locations within a 3-meter radius. Special receivers for phone IDs are used in shopping malls and other dense areas. PLS identifies phone users within a specific range and lists phone numbers for tracing. The PLS consists of signal receivers, tags, and software. Docent locators collect location data, track tag locations, and provide an indoor positioning system. Docent tags include ID cards, stickers, clip-ons, and wristbands. Software modules include SecuriTrack, TM, Chromap TM, and UniQounter TM. UniQounter TM analyzes real visitor data without counting the same person twice. It assigns a unique identifier to a visitor's signal, providing accurate information on visit times, duration, and frequency. This data helps determine interest and engagement levels. Our system requires no app installation and measures area traffic, entrance rates, duration of stay, and frequency of visits. It can count visitors in each store and predict the number of visitors. For governments, it can produce a list of phone numbers to be notified. For any inquiries or to purchase our product, please contact us at any of our offices in Los Angeles, Seoul, Bangkok, or Manila. Our contact details are provided for your convenience. Thank you for considering our proposal. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you.